everyone, this is Sam from SamuraiMini.com. Here's another little lovely carry truck. This one's only done 7,000 kilometers, about 4,000 miles. It's a 2011 four-wheel drive manual transmission. Very, very clean. You can see here, shiny bolts underneath, no rust. Got the battery cover on. Drop sights are in good nick. The tray is excellent. Got a cover on it, so it's protected, but under there, not really used at all. Now this vehicle is going to be shipped out to the US pretty soon, so it's going to be sold there for off-road use only, meaning that it's in competition with an ATV, and in here the cabin is all enclosed as opposed to other ATVs where they're open and you can get cold. This one here's got air conditions, you can keep cool, keep warm, keep dry, keep all your stuff in here a little bit and keep it that dry as well. 5-speed manual, as I mentioned. It's got high-low range, 2 or 4-wheel drive transmission, and that means it can pretty much go a lot of places off-road. When you get some mud tyres on this, it'll go off-road quite nicely. So this is going to be shipped out very soon, as I mentioned. If you'd like to buy this vehicle, one like this, we do get quite a lot in this condition, they are available here. One like this, or you fancy being a distributor of these trucks for us in the US, have a look on our website, SamuraiMini.com, and you'll find a lot of information on there about doing so. Thank you very much.